Today I'm here at my house and I got Air Wizard and Sword Dan. And we're gonna see who's the best at it. Okay, let me just wind both up. Okay, 3, 2, 1, let it go. Unpause. Second down. 3, 2, 1. Let it shoot. And Air Wizard is the winner of this one.